Moikka! Today, let's make some one-pot art journaling. A while back, I got this art journal and I haven't done anything to it yet. And now I have this idea that there is one page to fill. So I thought that I could do some mixed media pages for these. And let's start with the first page today. Have you tried art journaling yet? This is a nice way to start if you haven't tried it already. Let's start with the base layer. And you can do this with inks or watercolors or whatever you prefer. And at this point, I have no idea what I will be doing. I will just trust the process and go with what comes to mind. And let's start with the blue. Just a hint of blue. And this is not a white paper, so this is rather interesting what comes up. How this page will turn out. And then let's put in some green. Actually, this blue looks like a little bit green. But we'll work with this. Because I have no idea what this will be. It doesn't matter how this will turn out. Let's go with the flow. The reason this is called one pot art journaling is because I saw this food dish which was called one pot pasta dish, and I thought it was a brilliant name. So you add everything to this one pot and put in the oven. So that was kind of inspiring for me. So we will do the same here. We will put everything to this little page and put it in the oven. No, we will not put this in the oven. But let's see how things will mix and match with this. And continue adding the color as much as you like. And then when you feel it is finished, then to the next part. Okay, now let's check out the color difference with these pages. There is quite a difference. Nice. Okay, then let's move on to the next step. Now I will be taking some of my papers. And this is the paper layer. And then just choose your papers and go with it. Here are the papers that I chose to use with this one. And I am thinking now that I would make a kind of ground with these papers. I think I will do little hills. There. I think I'm ready now with these papers. And you can of course decorate the papers any way you like. Wherever you like. I just had this idea that I would do some hills with these papers. And now let's add some inking to the edges. You can also use the papers to make like a little house or some woods or anything that comes to your mind. And I am using Multifix Cherning. This is a hobby glue. Then the next one. My art journaling is very often about nature because nature is a huge thing in my life and a big inspiration. Okay, now the hills are ready, and then I will cut the excess off from the sides. Yes, now I feel like drawing a tree here with some branches. Oh, branches. Branches. And I am using white acrylic marker. Now the tree branches are ready. And I had this thought that I would like to do some coloring because I love to color. And I think we will color these branch betweens with different kind of colors. What do you think? Let's see how this turns out. It's all about the ideas that come on the way. Let's make that a pink one. And then let's do a green one. This paper really absorbs the color. Now let's let them dry for a bit. For some reason I would like to put in more color to this page. Should we put a little lake here? What do you think? Okay, now the water is ready, and then let's put in some markings to the tree. I think this area over here needs something, and because it is art journaling, I will fill this up with some white ink, and I think we will go with some roses. Then let's see what the next idea will be. This is so interesting, this art journaling, because at one point you feel like this isn't going anywhere. But then you just continue and think of different ways what you can do. And then suddenly, boom, there is a lovely idea. I will do that. And then you get the thrill back to what you are doing. And then I will do this part here. It didn't go all the way there, but I don't mind. And then I will use my finger to blend the water. And now you can look at the picture. Is there something that you would like to do? I think I will make kind of little decoration here. Just a little dotted line. I think it makes it look more whimsical. I think I will, for some reason, I feel like putting in some red. Just a hint, not too much. Like so. The next step is that you can add some paper flowers or ready-made flowers, so you can draw to the paper some flowers and put them over here. And I will use these Nordic blooms that I made in the previous video. There is a link in the upper corner if you want to go and check that out. And I will do some cutting. And I will use these flowers here. And of course you can draw the flowers also straight onto the page. But I will use these paper flowers. Sometimes I like to cut the paper thingies without the white edge and sometimes with the white edge. I will add some ink, just a bit. And then you can see where you want to put your flowers or paper thingies that you have. Try different places. I think I will put them to the tree, flower tree. Yes. And this goes over here, and then some glue. And I won't glue this the whole way through, so the edges will pop a bit up from the tree. Now this would be lovely if it would be a whole tree with full of these flowers. That would be so beautiful. I have to try it at one point. Now that the idea came into my head. And there is the other flower, like so. And this needs something more. This isn't necessary, but I like to use characters in my art journaling. So let's choose a little girl for this. I think we will go with this one. She is rather cute for this. And let's put in some glue. There she goes. And I think this one screams for something. And maybe we could use a quote or two. Let's check out the color. I think we will use one black one because there is black, and maybe we could use this color because there is a little bit of that color scheme. And these quotes and Nordic blooms and these girl characters are for sale on my Etsy shop. If you want to use these specific paper things. This was so much fun. But I think because I will fill this up with different kind of pages, I would love to do a tag on each page. So in the end this will look amazing with all the little tags. Like so. Yes, this is cute. Okay, until next time and happy art journalings. Kiitos katsomisesta ja oikein mukavaa viikkoa kaikille.